Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We've been putting together a little sort of sales funnel page here, and we've got a few issues. This is not actually how it should look. I've made some updates and changes, and there's a bunch of CSS that hasn't actually worked and things are not looking correct. If this happens to you, we're using the fantastic Divi theme here. There's a little workaround that I find that usually fixes this. If we go back to our dashboard, I'll start from the top. Go down to Divi. Now when the theme options is open, we want to go over to the Builder tab, go to the Advanced tab, and there's a top one there that says Static CSS File Generation. I'm going to turn that off and save my changes. A lot of times this will clear the CSS cache and fix the issues. Now if we go back to the site, let's try refreshing. There we go, that's displaying a lot more like it should. We've got our backgrounds back there. Our rows that should be full width are, we've got our backgrounds back there. The countdown time is working fine. Great. So that fixed that little issue there. If you come across that, it can be pretty annoying, but that's an easy way to fix it. So let's go back, just show you where that was again. It was in Divi, Theme Options. Go ahead to the Builder, click the Advanced tab, and you can turn this back on again once it's fixed the issues for you. And let's go back to our page and just refresh and make sure everything's going to stay the same. And it's actually broken it again there as you can see, so let's go ahead and clear that one more time. See if that makes a difference. No, still broken, so I guess we've got to keep it turned off. So let's disable that. Save the changes. Now let's refresh again. And there we go. That's looking more like it should look now. It's got those sections back. So if you come across that problem with Divi, you might try that little trick. It might save you a lot of head scratching and research. So that was a very short and sweet video. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you did, ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.